Welcome viewers. In this video, we'll see the relationship between two-port network parameters, ABCD parameter in terms of H parameter. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. ABCD parameter in terms of H parameter. In two-port network, there are four type of parameters available. First one is Z parameter, open circuit impedance parameter. Second one, Y parameter, short circuit admittance parameter. Third one is H hybrid parameter, combination of Z and Y. Fourth one is ABCD transmission parameters. This ABCD transmission parameter is used for designing transmission line. This is the general equation of the ABCD transmission parameter. V1, I1. 1 refers input port, 2 refers the output port. So input port voltage and input port current are expressed in terms of output voltage and output port current. V1, I1 expressed in terms of V2, I2. A, B, C, D are the parameters. We'll take this equation number 1. H parameters, hybrid parameters, V1 and I2. Here both current and voltage is available, so that is called a hybrid parameter. And Z and Y parameter, current is expressed in terms of voltage, voltages are expressed in terms of current. But here both are available. Input port voltage, output port current are expressed in terms of input port current and output port voltage. V1, I2 are expressed in terms of I1, V2. This is the general equation of the H parameter. H11, H12, H21, H22 are the hybrid parameters. We will take the equation number 3 and 4. Now we are going to rewrite the equation 4 in order to get the relationship. So consider equation 4 we are going to rewrite. So this is the equation 4. I2 equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. See, brought this term H21 I1 left hand side, so it become negative. So that is equal to this term. Now rewrite this. Write H21. So this is not correct. We are going to brought the H2 to V2 in the left hand side. So I2 minus H2 to V2 equal to H21 I1. Now rewrite this. Write this term in the left hand side. Write this term in the right hand side. Just rewrite. So H21 I1 equal to I2 minus H2 to V2. Now we are going to brought this H21 in the denominator of the right hand side. So this term is brought in the denominator. So 1 divided by H21 I2 minus, already H22 is there, H22 divided by H21 V2, right? So we'll write this V2 term first, then we will write V1, so that I1 equal to minus is there. So minus H22 divided by H21 V2 plus this term 1 divided by H21 into I2. We'll take this equation number 5. So equation 4 is rearranged such that we got the expression for I1. We'll take this equation number 5. Now we are going to substitute the value of I1 in equation 3. We are going to substitute the I1 value in equation 3. What is equation 3? V1 equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. So in this we are going to substitute I1 value from equation 5. So substitute this I1 with this value, minus H22 divided by H21 into V2 plus 1 divided by H21 into I2. Now we'll multiply this H21 inside. It is commonly available. So while multiplying, here minus is there, minus H11 H22 divided by H21 into V2. Here H11 divided by H21 into I2, and then this term. So this V2 available in first term and third term. So we will take common. We will take the V1 common from first and third term. First write this term H12 minus this term. Right. Now next we will take the LCM. We will take this H21 common between these two terms. We will take the LCM. So while taking LCM, what we got? H12 into H21 minus H11 H2 divided by H21, right? So this H21 is multiplied here, so that we got this, right? Now rewrite this term by taking minus outside. First we are going to write this term H11 into H22 minus H12 into H21. So minus is there, so original value will not affect. Why we are rewrite this? Because this term is nothing but delta H, determinant of H parameter. This term is we can write determinant of H parameter. So that we got this expression V1 equal to minus del H divided by H21 into V2 plus H11 divided by H21 into I2. We'll take this equation number 6. So we got the value of V1 in equation number 6. In equation 5 we got I1. Now we got V1. Now we are going to compare this equation 5 and 6. What we rewrite with equation 1 and 2. Now we'll see what is the equation 5 and 6. So this is equation 5. What we rearranged. This is equation number 6. This is equation 1 and 2. That is nothing but general equation of ABCD parameter. See equation 1 and 2 we have V1 and I1. Here also equation 5 and 6 we have V1 and I1. So both are V1, I1. So we can compare the coefficient of equation 1 and 2 with equation 5 and 6. So that we got the relation between H parameter in terms of ABCD parameter. So first consider equation 1. Here V1 is there. In equation 6 we have V1 is there. So we will compare equation 1 and 6. Here the coefficient of V2 is A. Here coefficient of V2 is delta H divided by H21. So both are equal. A equal to minus delta H divided by H21. Similarly, the coefficient of I2 is minus B. Here minus is there. Here coefficient of I2 is H11 divided by H21. So that both are equal. B equal to minus is there. So that minus H11 divided by H21. Right. So A is equal to this term. Negative is available. B is equal to this term. Here also negative available. Now we will compare equation 2 and equation 5. Both are I1 is there. So we will compare equation 2 and 5. The coefficient of V2 is C. Here coefficient of V2 is minus H22 divided by H21. So both are equal. C equal to minus H22 divided by H21. Here coefficient of I2 is minus D. Here coefficient of I2 is 1 divided by H21. So both are equal. So D equal to minus 1 divided by H21. Here negative is there. Right. So C is equal to this term. Minus D is equal to this term. So that we got all 4 parameters. Now ABCD parameters are expressed in terms of H parameters. So in this video we discussed what are the two-port network parameters available. There are 4 type of parameters. Then we discussed the general equation of ABCD parameter and H parameter. By rewriting, we got the equation 5 and 6. That is compared with equation 1 and 2. So that we got the relation between ABCD parameter in terms of H parameter. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening. All the best for your examination.